Dude, this thing, oh, I can already hear it a little bit.
Hey, turn it off. I want to hear it start up.
God damn. But is it loud inside or no?
Yeah, dude, it's crazy.
Is it bad good or good bad?
Dude.
Good. Bad.
It's
Good.
Dude,
good,
it
bad.
sounds good though.
Bro, that sounds freaking good.
Hey, don't you have like a new car part or something?
Yeah.
Yeah? You have it or?
Hey, take out the other part.
There's another car part or something. He wanted to show us.
Don't let, I want to surprise everyone.
Oh,
Like,
okay,
you
all
too.
right.
Yeah.
I guess he wants to surprise us.
So he wants to surprise us with a car part.
I don't know.
Just go right there, the other side.
The heck? What do you think it is,
I'm
Ish?
really frustrated by your lights though.
Yeah, that's okay. We'll figure it out. Just for what?
For the bird scooter.
You can own it.
That's what that is.
Oh, dude. Oh, we gotta buy some.
Dude,
If it's not like expensive, we'll do it.
What
Yeah.
is it?
I don't know.
I'm sorry, but I wouldn't even see.
What's up, King? Yeah. We're gonna learn? You gonna teach me,
dude.
Ish?
You're gonna be the new Tiger Woods. Let's go this weekend. Right?
Yeah?
You guys
Let's
ready
do
for the
it.
reaction? Go for it.
Yeah.
You got my stickers up? Oh!
Yeah, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it though, cause
No?
me and you already have one.
Oh yeah. I think we should give it to Ish.
What?
Yeah.
Hey.
The whole HH.
The whole H.
We got it for you. We got it for you, bro.
Nah.
I swear.
We got it. The pressure washer for you.
No, don't play.
We got you your own setup, bro.
We got the orifice. The orifice. You know how it's for the electric you need the smaller one. Yeah, that's yours, bro.
You're so dumb.
No, we did. We got it.
Like we're not even messing with you, bro.
What, dude?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You guys are the best, man.
We
What
all,
the heck?
So hold on.
Oh
So this is from
The whole HH race. squad.
Alex?
Yep.
Chris, Joel, Tyson the Bison, and last but not least, Abraham.
Dude,
we all,
much love to the crew.
yeah. So me and Alex got you this and the
Yep.
orifice, and all of us pitched in on the pressure washer.
Hey, and we were tripping because we thought you were gonna buy it because you kept talking about it.
That's
I was
what
gonna buy it-
We had
I
to
was
make
gonna
it
buy it
work.
this
Like, I'm
weekend.
sorry
Yeah.
we made you wait and all that, but it's because
okay.
if it doesn't happen today, I was gonna be able to the end of this week, and you were gonna order it the weekend.
I
Yeah.
completely forgot.
Yeah.
I forgot you guys were doing
You
it.
knew?
Yeah, Tyson. What? You're trying to eat dinner. Like, I'm hungry.
What the heck?
But no, because I got you all your stuff, and then Tyson was like, no, return it. He's like, we were doing something. So then I was like, oh yeah, this is crap. Return it. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. But Tyson was calling me the whole time.
Yes, sir.
No way.
Yeah, bro. So it was hard, bro, because when you couldn't meet up, we all could, and when we all could,
Yeah, you weren't able to meet up. We were gonna do this last week.
You.
We're
It was
doing-
either us or
yeah.
You know how sometimes you couldn't, or we
Yeah.
couldn't, or I couldn't, and I had the stuff at my house. So if I couldn't do it, I mean, how could you guys do it?
Yeah. And we're-
Freaking.
Yeah, we got you, bro. I don't know, somewhere in
Good
low
thing I brought the
compartment.
mom whip.
Yeah,
Dude, the Shelby. Holy.
dude, it's loud. Huh?
Dude. Hey, when you get on it though, like just normal driving, it's pretty loud.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
like
bet.
Right now, I was driving in third gear. I didn't want to like.
No, we heard you
Oh.
from
yeah.
Herndon, bruh.
Oh, you heard me from.
Yeah. Explain to the vlog. So Chris basically went catless on the Shelby. It's a catless X pipe by Lethal Performance and paired up with the Corsa Extremes, and it's probably like one of the loudest setups.
Yeah,
Right?
dude. So another option I was gonna do is shorties with catted high flow X pipe, but then I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go off-road X pipe with stock headers. Maybe later on I'll get headers, but I don't know. I really don't want to mess with the headers.
This sounds really nasty, like
Yeah.
really good though, but maybe we'll go for a ride or something in a little
Yeah,
bit.
dude.
Chris's car sounds amazing.
He's already washing his car.
What?
He's already washing his car.
Yeah.
No, I'm playing. Imagine, dude, he already put all your pressure washer. I mean, your.
Who?
You.
For what?
Because we're turning you to golfer. Kingston, what did you just tell your mother right now? Did you just tell her to let go? Go boss her around. Oh, he was already in the last video of him saying no. What's up, dude? Say hi. Can I get a thumbs up?
No.
Hey, shout out to the crew for getting me a birthday present. Son Joe.
God dang. Dude, that thing sounds nasty. How are the tips?
They fixed, but right now with the drive and the heat, I think they messed up a little bit.
For real?
Yeah, but they're better than they were.
Man, it smells. Chris SVT, how do you like your exhaust?
Bro, I'm loving it. I still haven't fully experienced it but
Hey, is Alex SVT dead? Like, should he just get rid of the Cobra or what?
he should, dude.
My neighbors hate me now.
You're in the sea right now, bro.
Stupid. Holy
Gunshots, bro.
that's loud.
You didn't expect that, huh?
God damn, bro. It sounds like mine now.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
You're barely getting on it. It's not stupid loud, but like you can hear that it's there. That's
Yeah.
kind of how mine is.
But mine don't stay doing popcorn. Mine just chills.
When you get a tune, it'll work.
It'll popcorn,
Yeah.
huh?
That sounds nasty.
No traction. That was like half throttle,
I know, I
bro.
felt that, but
That was
oh
like
my
half
god, these
throttle.
gears are so long too.
They are, bro. I still haven't done the hard ass pull because
I
they're
know.
so long.
You can't even get out of gear because like the whole
Yeah.
pole is like in one gear.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah, I think Alex SVT could show you some pointers. Dude, that's crazy.
Bro.
Yeah?
Nothing but love it. I mean, I'm kind of scared
Dude,
to like
Chris's Shelby is
Get it
just,
over.
it's on another level now.
behind in the back was
Yeah.
just like horses, huh?
Like how far on a scale of 1 through 10?
Well, last time I was here, I ordered food and I was hella full, so I didn't really eat it. But the next day when I ate it, it was like an 8.
Wait,
The
you
next
said
day
that,
was
wait,
eight.
you said the,
Cocktail.
oh, okay. No way.
Like, can I
Bro?
get the enchilada verde?
Like if you point it over.
Yes,
What? Plug. I won't put that in.
A rev too or just a start?
Nah, just start it up. God damn. He still has his camera. God damn, my ears are killing me now. I'm deaf.
Hey, watch out that anchor, just throw it to the side.
Dude, G double vlog? I think I need to get one. I think it's gonna happen. What do you think?
I don't know, bro. Just don't
If
get
I
my
were to-
color.
yeah, all right, let's just say I were to sell the Cobra. I put all that hard work into the car.
I would.
It was my first car.
If you're going to a 5.0, I wouldn't. I wouldn't get rid of the Cobra. But if you were gonna get this and you had to get rid of the Cobra, I'd say go for it. But for any other Mustang, no.
I don't know, man. I think I would regret it so much in the end, though. Alex SVT gonna be Shelby Alex.
Yo,
Nah,
soon.
I'm just kidding. I don't know. Dude, you're making me want to get one though, low key.
Or at least get the 5.0 soon, bro. 5.0 with the Termi in the driveway and the 3V.